Okay, here we go. We're getting ready for Thanksgiving. Here's the turkey. And we'll have to do some more preparation later and get it ready for Thanksgiving. We have everything ready. I've got some fruits and vegetables and stuff like that. Time to bake a cake. Next up is all gratin potatoes. Right now I'm heating the milk in the water. It'll take a few seconds. So we're gonna make all gratin potatoes. Now I'm mixing the sauce powder and the potatoes together. There it is, all good. Right now we just bake it. Okay, here's my turkey. As you can see, I put onions and apples inside of it. I'm gonna bake it here in a second. I've already baked the cake and I made some cranberries. It's done, I just got done making it. It's in the refrigerator, I'll show you. Now inside the oven, I'm cooking all the gratin potatoes. And by the way, I have done all this myself. Now, I have cooked stuffing, turkey stuffing. Then we walk over here and I have cooked sweet muffins. And then we walk into the refrigerator. Let me get into the refrigerator here. Then there is my raspberries. Plus I got apples cut up and everything ready to go. And we're ready for Thanksgiving. All I gotta do is put the turkey in. I don't know, somebody here?
I heard your little tiny thing going on.
Okay, now the turkey is done cooked, so we'll use it to make some gravy as well. And cooking some other stuff here, as you can see.